welcome back to my channel, and today we are just gonna do a nice kind of what I would do kind of every day, like my standard makeup look. And I'm feeling the summer vibes. I've got the nice dangly earrings out, the flowy trousers that you can't see. I'll just show you. Look how cool they are. So yeah, today is all about the nice warm tones, and I'm just gonna show you what is my kind of go-to eye makeup look that I just love to do on days like this. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, so then to prime my face, I'm first gonna start off with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. And then because today I really want to go for like a nice like glowy look, I'm going to take the MAC Strobe Cream and I'm just going to put that all over my cheeks and my forehead. And then I am going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade Sand Beige. Oh yeah, I've literally, ever since I got this, I think I got it November. It's the only foundation I've been using since November. None of my other ones can beat it. I'm just obsessed now. I'm just gonna go in with my sponge and make sure that it's all seamlessly blended. And whatever foundation is left on my hand, I tend to sweep it under my eyes because I'm not really loving that much of a bright highlight at the minute, just because I've got a bit of a tan and all my foundations and my base products are just a tad bit light for me. I don't normally do this step every day, but I really want to go for a nice kind of cream bronze look just so it's flawless. So to do that, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to use it to kind of make me match the rest of my body. And then I'm just going to go in with, I think it's the Morphe Copper Dreams collection. It's this duo fibre brush, and I'm just going to take that and blend out the contour. Then go over with the sponge again just to make sure that there aren't any harsh like joining lines. Okay, now just to conceal the inner darkness of my eyes, not my soul, I'm gonna now take the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in warm medium. Like literally look how white that is. You don't even need a lot of this either. So I'm just focusing it more on the inner portion. I'm gonna take it down the side of my nose slightly. Blend it all out with our trusty sponge. And then to set it all, I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder. This is just the translucent one. Yeah, this is just the translucent one. And then whatever's left, I like to press into my smile lines. And I'm just going to dust all that off with the Real Techniques contour brush. I don't actually like to bake, I just like to full on. I don't know if it's classed as baking because I don't leave it on there to bake, if you get what I mean. But I like to just put it on and then swipe it away straight away. And then to kind of brighten up my skin tone a little bit more, I'm taking this NYX No Filter powder in the shade Honey Beige. I'm going on the back of my sponge and just pressing this into my skin. That's better. And now I'm going to take my Rimmel and Kate Sculpting palette, and I'm going to go in with the contour shade just to deepen up my contour and bronzer as well. And I'm going to take it on this big, I think it's a blush brush from Eco Tools. I don't know, the name has rubbed off. So I'm just going to do that. So now we're going to go into brows, and normally I would use my Eylure brow pomade in the shade dark brown, but I don't know, I'm going on a different vibe these days, so I wanted to try out a pencil and kind of go for the more like natural brow. So I got the Eylure brow pencil in just the same shade. It's number 10 dark brown. And do you know what? I think I've actually really been loving it. So I'm just gonna fill my brows in with this and I will be right back. Right, okay, so I've done my brows. Don't know if you can tell the difference, but I've just kind of made them a little bit more bushier and not as perfect. So I'm just testing it out. And then I went in with my concealer and I just kind of cleaned up underneath a little bit. And now I'm going in with my Plouise Base, and this is the original, I think it's Rimmel one, or it's just Rimmel, I don't know. I cannot remember. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Right, now time for the fun part. I'm not going to set my eyes, I'm just going to leave them as is. So to start off with, we're going to go in... we're going to go in with the shade Jax from the MorpheBrushes. Oh! That was very close. I'm going to take this on this kind of flat, fluffy, domed brush, if that makes sense. And we're just going to put this on the outer corner of the eye. Oh my lord. I actually forgot how nice and pigmented these were. And now I'm going to take the shade, Hunt here, and I'm going to use my finger and put that all over my lid. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shade Creamsicle right here, and we're going to run that through the crease to kind of get out all these harsh lines. Wipe out that fallout. We're going to take that first brush, I'm going to flip it over and put that Hunt shade back on it, and then just intensify it a little bit more. And I love brushes like these because you can blend and pack at the same time. Put it into the crease a little bit and on the brow bone, so we get like a lighter orange and not one so burnt. And then we're going to deepen that back up again with the shade Hunt. And just blending everything again with that Creamsicle brush, but we're not putting any product on it. And this is what we have so far. And then for our inner corner highlighter, I absolutely love these two shades for my inner corner highlight. We're going to take a mix of Enlight and Beam. Oh my lord, they enlight you and they also beam. They are insane. Like, literally just look at that. That is the best inner corner highlighter I've ever had in my life. And then I'm also going to do the same combo on my brow bone. Literally love making sure that this area is highlighted. I can't leave without a highlighted inner corner or brow bone. Whatever's left, I'm just going to do a little exclamation point up the nose. Whatever's left. Right. Now I'm going to go in with my iStudio Lasting Gel Drama Eyeliner in the shade Black. And I'm just going to do a nice bold wing, I think, today. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Right, okay, so eyeliner is done. I did my eyeliner on the top and then I also did it in my tight line. But now I'm going to do it in my waterline and we're going to smoke out our bottom lash line. So let's do this. So now I'm just going to take this angled brush from the Morphe Dreams set, and I'm going to go back in with that Hunt shade and I'm going to put it on the lash line. Then I'm just going to take a little domed pencil brush and we're going to go in with Jax and we're going to smoke it out. Take that same brush from before and then just blend out those edges a little bit more. I might put a little bit of creamsicle on it, and I like to just, if you've got a brush like this, I like to just pinch it so it makes it like skinny, and then I like to use that as well. Right, so now we have all the eyeliner done and we have smoked it all out. We are now going to go in with the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Mascara, and it's the lash extension. It's the lash extension one. Literally, this mascara is now my life. Just look what it does to your lashes. Now time to finish off the base, and then we are all done. Because we're really quite warm today, we're gonna go with something really glowy. And I don't normally like shimmery blushes, but the Rimmel and Kate Sculpt palette blusher is heaven. Literally just my heaven. First, I'm gonna go in with this Kiko long lasting wet and dry eyeshadow in the shade 208, and this, I just show you, is just gorgeous. Don't know if you can actually see that, but just look, it's so pretty. And I don't even use it as an eyeshadow that much, it's my highlighter because it's so golden. I'm just in love. Just pop that. No. Now I'm going to use the Kate and Rimmel blusher. This one is in golden bronze, and we're just going to use this shade here, and I'll show you again how nice this is. I need to get, I'll go there and just look. That is just gorgeous. I love it. And I'm just gonna take this other brush. I don't know, it's just an angled brush. It's kind of a bit misshapen from my bag, but it's fine. I'm just gonna load up. Sometimes I feel like there's not that much colour in it, so I'm gonna go in with my trusty Get Up and Glow from BarryM, and I'm just gonna mix the two blushes together, these two here. This palette has literally been my ride or die for the past like 5 years. I know I probably should have chucked it away by now, but it's just got everything I need in it. If I'm just going for a weekend away and I don't need my full-on contour palettes and everything, amazing. For my lips, I'm going in with the NYX Lip Lingerie, and this is the shade Exotic. Now we're going to spray a little bit. I'm trying out, where is it? We're gonna try this Makeup Revolution ProFix Oil Control Setting Spray. I've been trying out this for a little bit, and I'm not actually quite sure how I feel about it. I'm not sure yet, so I'll give you the verdict when I have more of an opinion. Right. I do love the spray on it though. It's so like abrupt. It's a good spray. Hairspray. It's such a good makeup setter. Obviously, go light with this, but I've got the TRESemmé 24-hour frizz control extra hold fine hairspray, long lasting finish, brushes out easily, fast drying. This one, and this is something my mum taught me. Shout out to the mum, you know. And literally spray it on your face, but be careful. I just don't open your eyes for a good second or so. And it basically does the same thing as a setting spray. And that's it guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is just my standard makeup really that I would just do if I was feeling a bit glam, you know. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.